welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Vivian and I do all kinds of videos on beauty, fashion, hauls, vlogs, tutorials, all kinds of things. If you're into that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss out on my future videos. So today is a super fun video. I was approached by MintMongoose, which is a jewelry subscription service, and probably because, you know, I love subscription services. I have a lot of them with the clothing, and I've never done one with jewelry. So they reached out to me and asked if they could send me 3 pieces of jewelry for me to review on my channel if I liked them. And I do like them, so I'm gonna go ahead and review it for you guys and tell you a little bit about the company and how it all works, and then also provide a discount code for you guys, Frenchie, for you guys to get your first box for 10 bucks, because I think normally it's 12, so you get a little bit of a discount there. Okay, so MintMongoose, again, is a jewelry subscription service. You can also buy things online. You fill out a little profile. You can tell them if you want silver tone jewelry, gold tone jewelry, etc. You get 3 jewelry pieces a month, and it's normally $12 plus shipping and handling. You can customize your jewelry, like I just said, silver or gold. You can describe your earring preference, yes earrings, no earrings, etc. And they also have watches, so you can tell them what kind of preferences you have for that. And the new subscribers, first box ships within 48 hours, and then they'll ship your monthly box on the 15th of each month. So I'm pretty sure everybody's box is going to be different. Obviously, it's not like your BoxyCharm or Ipsy like makeup. I think everybody gets the exact same one. Here you can kind of customize it kind of like you do for the clothing subscription service, which is kind of cool. Also, subscribers receive an awesome free gift every 3 months, like a wallet, some makeup, or adorable pair of sunglasses. You can easily skip a month or cancel your subscription right from their websites. Subscribers receive 25 to 50% off everything on their online shop, plus free worldwide shipping for any online purchases, which is kind of cool. So it's kind of nice. I did go on their website and I looked kind of at the different jewelry they have. It's very unique pieces. It's not anything you're going to find just anywhere else. So definitely something to maybe check out. I just printed up right from their website kind of some questions and answers, frequently asked questions. So I thought this would be kind of good for you guys to know. Basically, how does it work? Select your box, answer a series of preference questions. We'll send you pieces that we think you're going to love. And that says you'll build a vibrant and diverse jewelry collection, enjoy the convenience of being a member, and save money while you're at it. You're going to get a box within 48 hours after you place your first order. And then you're going to get your box on the 15th of each month, and you can cancel a month if you need to. When will you be billed? Subscriptions renew on the 20th of every month for the following month's shipment. Example, renew on January 20th for February 15th shipment. What's in the box? This depends on which box you select, regular box or black box. You can use a rundown of box goodies for both options, and you can go check that out on the website. So the black box is a little bit more tailored, a little higher end, I believe. They ship everywhere in the world, and it's easy to cancel anytime for any reason with just a couple clicks on their website. And if the jewelry arrives damaged for whatever reason, mine did not. So they, in fact, they're on my thumbnail, you'll see the little box that came in, very, very cute. And then that box came in another like padded type envelope. So very nice shipping. If you receive a piece is damaged, notify them within 30 days and email them at their email address and include a picture of the damaged product, and they will send you a replacement of the same product, which is awesome. The refund policy, we're not able to offer refunds on products that have been shipped. If you'd like to cancel a future shipment, however, email them. So very straightforward, super simple, very inexpensive, but yet the quality seemed pretty decent. And then each item came in its own little packaging, which is really cute. I also got with my 3 jewelry pieces a piece of candy, which was a Werther's original, which of course I ate right away. But so the first thing I saw that wasn't packaged was this ring. And it's one that you can basically adjust. You'll see there, it's got an adjustable band. And then it's got some, I don't know if that's going to focus very well. It's got some etching in it. So it's a silver ring, which I love silver. I love gold too, but this is really cool. And it fits on my index finger really, really well. And I could adjust it if needed. So I really like it. It's definitely something I would use. Hopefully it won't tarnish, but you know, I mean, if you think about it, it's like each item is what, $4. So It's not like it's that expensive. But I think, I mean, overall it's pretty decent quality. It doesn't feel super lightweight, but it doesn't feel super heavy either. So I definitely think it's something that I could wear and probably keep for a while. So pretty cool. I like that item. That was the first thing I saw when I opened up the package. Second thing I got was this necklace. Kind of like a half moon shaped necklace, and it's kind of a black marble, I would say. It's kind of what it looks like. So yeah, pretty cool. And again, a piece of silver jewelry, silver necklace, and it's got a little etching on the back there with their brand. So yeah, I think it's something I would definitely use, and I think it's really cute and very versatile. I like the length of it. I think it's really nice. I'll put it on here for you guys. There are two adjustable links that you could use. So it's right there. This is probably not the best blouse for this because this is going to probably want to sneak in there. But I think you can kind of get an idea of, you know, what it would look like. So yeah, I think it's just a really cute and versatile necklace that I could wear with a lot of different things, just like a little white t-shirt, black little t-shirt, anything. I think it would go with whatever you want to wear. So I really like it. I think that's really pretty. And then some matching like half moon earrings to go with it. So very, very, very cute. I could probably throw those on. I didn't take my earrings off. We're in gold today. I like the back. It comes with a really nice back like that. So I would think you could either wear it like straight up and down. You could wear it across like that. Either way, it's gonna be cute. So just really simple, super basic, which is what I love. I don't like huge, dangly, long earrings. So I think this first style box was definitely a winner for me. I will definitely give this a thumbs up. I think the quality looks really great. Obviously I haven't worn this for, you know, months or years, so I can't tell you if it's going to tarnish right away or not, but so far I'm impressed with the value and the styling and the quality. So I'm definitely going to give this a thumbs up for MintMongoose. Way to go, guys. I'll put the link down below. I'll put my Frenchie code down below so that you guys can get your first box at a discount. I do not get commission off of this. They just reached out to me and wanted to send me the jewelry for free and offer you guys a discount code. So that is it. So if you guys have any questions, don't forget to leave me a comment down below. I will make sure to try and answer all of your questions if you have any. And if you guys like these kind of reviews and these kind of videos, don't forget to please give me a thumbs up. And of course, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on my future video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.